Humans love hugs, but many dogs actually don't. Research shows many dogs display stress signals when people hug them. That's because wrapping your arms around a dog can feel like restraint. In dog body language, losing the ability to move away can cause discomfort. But many dogs tolerate hugs because they trust their owners. If you look closely, you might see signs like stiff posture, lip licking, or turning their head away. For many dogs, leaning beside you is their version of a hug. But they love you, so a hug will always be welcome. Follow for more dog facts.